Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove text from our video using a VN video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN video editor on my mobile phone and I'm going to create new project. We can click on this plus icon and then select new project. And then since we want to edit video, we can choose video based and click on save. Alright, and I'm going to go to the video section and we can choose the video we want to remove the text from. Wait, I'm still looking for the video. Okay, this one guys, I'm going to remove this text from my video. Click on next and wait, I'm going to remove the ending. Right, and if we want to remove text from our video, we need to duplicate our video. Tap on the video and then select duplicate, and I'm going to place this pointer to the first part of my video and select the forward option. Okay, and now the video has been moved to the second layer, and I'm going to tap on the second video and then select fit to fit the screen. Right, and we're going to use mask to cover the text. You're going to go to the mask option right here and then choose the shape of the mask. I'm going to select this rectangle mask and then we can adjust the size like this and take another part of your video to remove the watermark or to cover the watermark or the text. Just like this, I'm going to select this part and then we can click on the check mark and then you can drag the mask to cover the text on your video. Okay, now it's done guys, and to make it more natural I recommend you to go to the adjustment to adjust like the brightness, the contrast, or the highlight. You can select folder and then go to the adjust menu. And here I'm going to adjust the brightness. I'm going to reduce it a little bit. Increase it a little bit. Okay, just like this. You can also adjust the contrast. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, and I think it looks perfect. And I'm going to click on the check mark. Okay, now it's done, guys. And if your text is moving, you can use the keyframe to make the mask can follow the moving text. You can use this keyframe and you can adjust it one by one. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove text from our video using VN. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!